Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Today we're going to make these boho earrings that you can wear or your Blythe doll can wear. So for each earring, just one earring, so you need to multiply this by 2, you're going to need an eye pin. That is a head pin that has a little loop at the bottom. Kind of looks like an eye, hence the eye pin. You need an ear wire. And you need beads of your choice. For the earrings that I was making, I just got a little blue bead here and this long skinny bead. And you're also going to need some hemp. In addition to all this, you're going to need some wire cutters, flat nose pliers, round nose pliers, something sharp. This is a bead reamer. You can also use maybe a pin or a needle. I'll explain about that later. Need something to measure with and a pair of scissors. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your hemp, and you need about 1 foot, okay? This is a 6-inch ruler, so I cut about 1 foot. Then you're going to find the ends, and you're going to feed them into the head pin, or the eye pin rather. So once you got that put in there, you're going to just tie a knot, and you want them to be pretty even. They don't have to be perfect because we are going to do some trimming later on. Okay, and then once you tied a knot there, you're going to do an overhand knot because you want these to be put together. Also, let's clip that because you want 4 different strands there. So you're going to do an overhand knot. Pull all those through and just feed that knot. Go all the way up, and I just like to take my pliers and just grab these ends and just pull so they'll be tight. You'll feel them tighten up. Okay, it's something that looks like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the long bead on and then the short bead on. Now, if you wanted it the other way, you could do it the other way. Let me show you what it looks like. It's just a preference thing. Or you could do one way and one the other way and have a mismatched pair of earrings. Okay, so I'm just going to do it that way. So then we're going to take our flat nose pliers and we're going to bend your eye pin at a 90-degree angle like that. And then I kind of use my finger as a reference to measure. And I'm going to clip right about there. Hang on to that so you don't have that flying across the room. Then you take your round nose pliers and you roll a loop. Oops, like so. Once you have your loop rolled, all right, okay, there it is. Thought I lost my ear wire. Anyway, once you roll your loop, you're going to open it up, and then you're going to feed your ear wire on there, and you're going to close it up. Make sure there's no gap there. We don't want it falling off of the ear wire. So now we're going to get these all frayed out. I'm going to trim them a little bit just so they're easier to work with. And you take your sharp object, kind of untwist these a little bit. Sometimes I just kind of go back and forth and unravel them. And then I take my little pin or my sharp object and I just kind of comb through it. And do that with all of the pieces. And when you trim them, make sure you trim them the same. And I kind of like to go through and work on it a little bit more until I get the look I want. And you have yourself a set of boho earrings. And there's my doll with her little boho earrings. These you can wear too, so you can share. I think they look really good with the zipper pull that we made the other day. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day.